Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to send a folder in WhatsApp using a simple workaround. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Files or File Manager app on your phone. This app lets you browse through your phone's storage. Step 2. Locate the folder you want to send and tap and hold it to select. This prepares the folder for compression. Step 3. Find the option to compress or zip the folder and select it. Compressing creates a single zip file from your folder. Step 4. Once the folder is compressed into a zip file, open WhatsApp on your phone. Step 5. Open the chat where you want to send the folder. This is the recipient's chat window. Step 6. Tap the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the chat screen. This opens the attachment options. Step 7. From the menu, select the document icon. Documents allow you to send files like zip folders. Step 8. Choose Browse Other Docs, or choose from files to find your zip file. This lets you navigate to where the zip file is saved. Step 9. Select the zip file you created earlier. This attaches the folder as a single file. Step 10. Tap the send button at the bottom right corner to share the folder as a zip file. Your folder will now be sent via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.